This is what most people get wrong about making a significant change in their life, such as quitting drinking, living an alcohol-free life. Most people think there's this big, massive event that needs to happen. They're waiting for either a rock bottom or some sort of sign or just one moment, maybe a guy on TikTok or Facebook or whatever like myself, giving them that light bulb moment that's going to make them say, this is it, my life has changed. That's not what happens. The key to change is miniature moments of change, little incremental changes in growth, little by little, changing your daily habits, changing the way that you believe about things, changing your mindset. 1% growth every day is what will get you the life that you want. That's where change comes in. And it has to start with you believing that change is possible, with you believing that you're worthy of living whatever life that it is that you want. Starts there, and then making little changes along the way. Stop waiting for this big, massive moment to change your life. It just doesn't work that way.